I'm Dr Elodie Chabrol and I am the International Director for Pint of Science Festival, which is a global festival happening every May simultaneously in several cities and countries around the globe. This year it's going to be 25 online. I hated the fact that every time I wanted to talk about my research, people thought it would be too complicated or not accessible enough, so I really learned how to share my science by myself. And to be honest, I joined Pint of Science after that because when I was a PhD and then a postdoc researcher, science communication wasn't something that usual to do, so I kind of did it the other way around. I started Pint of Science and then I did a lot of science communication events. It's really important when you talk about animals in research to always explain why you use animals and not the alternatives. People usually understand, but you need to really show them you know the ethical implications of animal work, and you also know why you're doing it. It's not like you're just a crazy scientist that enjoys that, but you are someone that knows. For example, when I was doing neuroscience, I explained to people that, I cannot really get brains and I need a brain to try to do my experiments. So obviously we're going for animal research. And I think the best way is to really explain why it's needed and why an animal is really going to be different from cells, for example. First, it's huge, it's worldwide, and we really have the growth of the volunteers and the speakers at heart. What do I mean when I say that? We really try to teach the volunteers how to organize a science communication event, and we really try also to show how to do science communication for speakers that are not very used to be sure that after Pint of Science, they get away with some skills learned during the experience. One, go on Twitter. I think I will say that so many times, but Twitter is a very great place to meet people that are involved in science communication events or science communication initiatives. So really I would go on Twitter, I would chat with people already involved to see how they got involved with their initiatives. Two, I would contact your university or your institute's engagement or communication department, because usually they have partnerships with some initiatives and they might direct you to some great events that you didn't think of or you didn't know before. And three, obviously, I'm going to tell you to contact a Pint of Science branch locally in your country or in your cities. You can see all the websites on pintofscience.com.